guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I am just about to do my hair, but I got some new products, so I was like, why not turn on the camera? My hair is a week old. Products I got, where are they? They are supposed to be 100% natural without all the chemicals, so this is what piqued my interest because I'm all about being healthy and becoming the better me that I can be. They look really good. This scalp treatment is in a actual jar, so that makes me very nervous because if you watch my videos, you know I'm very clumsy with everything that I do. I'm actually going to start with this because it says to apply on dry hair and to leave it in for, I don't have my glasses, I can't read this, the writing is so small, Jesus. All right, now that I can see, it says to leave it for a few hours or overnight. We're not going to do this because I need to get my hair braided. So I'm probably gonna leave this for about 30 minutes and then I will leave the hair mask for 30 minutes and we're gonna call it a day and see what happens. It says to use 1 to 2 times a week. I'm excited to use this because it is a scalp treatment. Y'all know my scalp is all kind of crazy. So we'll see how that, see, I knew it. It smells like something my mom used to make as a kid. I'm going to follow the directions and pop this on my scalp and pray for the best. YOLO, because I already have a problematic scalp, so I'm not, I hope it doesn't make it worse. Impression right now is that I love the consistency of this. I love how it feels on my scalp. I'm putting it on and I'm getting this like tangly feeling and I like that. It feels like it's working, you know? But it is like a, sort of like a thick, not thick, but it's like greasy. So if you're not into greasy things, you're not gonna like this, but I am very into greasy things. So, I'm liking it so far. But I want to see how my dandruff deals with it, just because this is one of my main concerns. I don't want it to flare up my dandruff, and I've just sort of gotten that thing under control with onions. It says to massage, may need to shampoo twice for best result, use 1 to 2 a week. So I mean, I guess I don't have to put on a plastic bag on my head or anything, so I think I'm just gonna leave it like this. My scalp feels so good, like it's so refreshing. Refreshing don't pay the bills though, so we'll see how my hair feels after I wash it. Alright, so it's been about 10 or so minutes, and just to save on time, I am going to put on the hair mask. It says to use on dry hair as well, or slightly damp hair. So I'm assuming they want you to use this before you shampoo. Odd, but whatever. So I'm going to use it. It says to shake it up, so I'm assuming it's not very thick. My hair doesn't really like non-thick products, so we'll see. It smells sort of lemony, so I'm just going to put that on, put this on my hair, and then I'll just wait an hour with both of them in. What I'll do is just go on a run after this and, you know, kill 3 birds with 1 stone. But my scalp is still feeling so good. There isn't a lot in here. I think my hair can use that little bottle, to be honest, but we'll try to use this sparingly. Alright, off to a run I go. Basically, I almost died in this run. Ta-da! I went on my run. I feel amazing. I washed my hair. It feels amazing. I'm just going to show you what it looks like. It's hard to review products, I find, just from using them, you know, one time. But my hair feels nice and soft. I can say that much. It did not make my hair fall out. I went ahead and detangled my hair in the shower. I shampooed and I did not condition, just to put these products to the test. And my hair feels like I conditioned. So I guess that's a good thing. Hello out there. So I was editing this video that you're watching right now, or this video that you just watched, and first of all, it took me forever to get it out because I just thought that it was boring. For some reason, I couldn't get over the fact that I thought that it was boring. I was like, Jen, you sound like you have no personality, girl, and you have a ton of personality. So here I am trying to salvage that last video. Product reviews are sort of weird because how can you really review a product when you've only used it once? You know what I mean? It's hard to really gauge what a product is doing if you only used it one time. So this is my little update on the video that I filmed. I want to say about 3 weeks now because I've been using these products for a long time, and yes, I broke the jar. Well, I broke the cap. Just don't leave me with anything that's dangerous. So I've been using them for a while. As you can tell, I'm halfway through this jar, and I'm also halfway through the mask as well as the oil. And I have to tell you, I really like these products. They are so gentle and they feel amazing. My scalp feel nice. I have to say I haven't had any issues with any dandruff lately, and I just can't get over the fact that that's possible because I've been struggling with dandruff for at least, wow, I don't know, like 3-4 years now. So I'm very happy that this thing has gotten it under control. I find that I only have to use it once a week now, and I have no issues throughout the week with my dandruff. And at first I used to use it twice a week, so maybe around Thursday I will start, you know, my head will start getting itchy, so I would use this. But now I don't even have to do that anymore, and that's not even their problematic scalp. This is for normal scalp, as you can see on the bottle. But they also have one for problematic dandruff scalp. I'm actually super interested to try that one and see how that goes with my hair. But this thing, I like it. And you know what? I really want to try the rest of the line because this thing is amazing and I like it. And if you have some extra dollars laying around, I will highly suggest that you try these products. Anyways, I hope that you had a great day. I had an excellent day. I met a subscriber today, so I'm all smiles. Juliet, if you're watching, girl. Hey girl, hey. I am going to ask you guys to do me a little favor, and I want to film a Q&A next because I'm making a lot of questions and I've been putting them together. So if you have any questions you want to ask me about anything at all, no restrictions, go ahead and ask me and I will film that next. My hair, I'm telling you, has been flourishing, and partly because I don't do too much to it, I swear. I typically leave my hair alone, or I do it once a week. My hair was braided before this, and I just took out the braids, pop on a headband, and went on about my day, and I'm loving it. My hair has grown so much, you guys. Anyways, thank you for watching my videos. I love you. Don't forget to leave your questions below for my next video. If this is your first time here, girl, hit that subscribe button, okay? And I will see you in my next one. Bye.